Chief Minister of Indian capital New Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, on Wednesday said that his government will train 5,000 youths as health assistants as part of a plan to deal with the possible third wave of COVID-19. Meanwhile, all federally protected monuments, including the Taj Mahal, reopened for public on Wednesday as authorities rushed to lift restrictions in a bid to revitalize the economy.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Wednesday said that his government will train 5,000 youths as health assistants as part of a plan to deal with the scarcity of medical and paramedical staff in possible third wave of COVID-19 after the Indian capital faced a deadly second wave. Kejriwal said that these youths will be given basic training in nursing, paramedics, life-saving first aid and home care at Delhi's 9 major medical institutes. They will work as assistants of doctors and nurses after completing their mandatory training, which will begin from June 28 in batches.
मैं समझता हूँ इससे हमारी जो तैयारी है थर्ड वेव की इसको काफ़ी मजबूती मिलेगी और मैन पावर तैयार होगी अगर थर्ड वेव आती है तो मैं फिर से उम्मीद करता हूँ भगवान से कि थर्ड वेव ना आए, लेकिन इंग्लैंड से यूके से जो खबर आ रही है कि वहाँ पे थर्ड वेव आ गई है, तो हमें भी दुनिया भर में जो डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं उनको ध्यान में रखते हुए अपनी तैयारी में किसी तरह की कमी नहीं करनी है.
Meanwhile, India's iconic Mughal-era monument Taj Mahal reopened to the public on Wednesday after being closed in early April as the country, still reeling from a disastrous second wave of the pandemic, rushes to lift restrictions in a bid to revitalize its economy. India's COVID-19 cases tally on Wednesday stood at 29.63 million, while total fatalities surged to 379,573. Other federally protected monuments, including New Delhi's Red Fort and Qutub Minar, were also reopened to tourists on Wednesday, even as alarm bells ring over a resurgence of crowds in major cities that threatens to fuel another spike in infections.